Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your heated seats in your 2020 Lexus NX300. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the center console. And once we get to the center console, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the heated seats, of course. If you can see this 3 arrows going up, that is the heated seats for you. And once we press on that, what it's going to do is going to activate it, and it will go to the highest setting first. If you want to decrease it, just press on it again. We'll go to medium, low, and then of course turn it off. Same goes on the passenger side of the vehicle. All you have to do, press on it, it will go on high again, medium, low, and off. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the quick overview of how to use your heated steering wheel. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.